In this video, I want to show you how to update your Fire TV Stick 4K Select. Take the remote control and you're going to press the home button simply so we start on the same screen. Then press the right side button over here until you highlight the settings icon on the right side of the screen. Then go down and we need to select Fire TV. Then select About, go down and you need to select Check for Updates. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network and automatically in 10 seconds it will tell you if there is an update available that needs to be installed, and you'll be able to simply select it and install it. Or if it's up to date, you're going to get the message that you're seeing right over here, your current OS and your Fire TV is up to date. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.